Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Financial Topic. Today we're diving into the world of loans, specifically focusing on how to apply for a loan in a seamless, user-friendly way. So, sit back, get comfy, and let's get started. The process of applying for a payday loan can be quite straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. First things first, you'll need to fill out an application form online on the lender's website. This form will require you to provide some personal details such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you've submitted your application, the lender will review it and either approve or deny your request. If you're approved, you can anticipate receiving the funds within a day or two. It's crucial to keep in mind that payday lenders might only accept direct deposit information from checking accounts. Now let's talk about the costs associated with payday loans. These loans might seem like a quick fix when you need money urgently, but they often come with high interest rates and fees that can make repaying the loan quite challenging. These high fees can even lead some people into a never-ending cycle of debt as they struggle to repay their loans while also covering their living expenses. In conclusion, while payday loans can be convenient in an emergency situation, it's always advisable to explore all your options and consider lower interest alternatives before deciding on this route. I hope this video has provided some valuable insights into the world of payday loans and their associated costs. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe Financial Topic YouTube channel for more content like this one. Until next time, take care of yourselves and make smart financial decisions.